when God dips His pen of love in my heart, and He writes my soul a message He wants me to know. His Spirit all divine fills the sinful soul of mine when God dips His love in my heart. Well, I said I want to tell it to a living soul how He brought salvation and He makes me whole. But I found I couldn't hide such love as Jesus did impart. Well, it makes me laugh and it makes me cry, said a sinful soul on fire when God dips His love in my heart, in my heart. Well, sometimes though the way is dreary, dark and cold, and some unburdened sorrow keeps me from the goal, I go to God and pray. I can always find Him there to whisper sweet peace to my soul. Well, I said I won't tell it to a living soul how He brought salvation and makes me whole. But I found I couldn't hide such love as Jesus did impart. Well, it makes me laugh and it makes me cry, said a sinful soul on fire. Hallelujah, when God dips His love in my heart. Step of Calvary's rugged way, and He gave His life completely to bring a better day. My life was steeped in sin, but the love He took me. His blood washed away every stain. Tell it to a living soul how He brought salvation and He makes me whole. But I found I couldn't hide such love as Jesus did impart. Well, it makes me laugh and it makes me cry, said a sinful soul on fire. Hallelujah, when God dips His love in my heart. Hallelujah, when God dips His love, His sweet love in my heart. Mentu Khasi kamwa kularmi lawano chami hami em hichi du Ijenjar sudah Belek yang ngablai Ya luti yang Man kasih Uburo yami Waro cerita Kecewa kuami
Mentugaski kerana kami Biwayolan Wapen wacari Haga pertai Cibat pun dan hi Bot oyami Kawan cikasni
Mentugasnya Daimon yang ada penkut depan teme Katu cakma duni dan hi yang ngablai man kesni
Man kasih Uburo yami Waro cerita Kecewa kuami Kasih Geruno cami Miwayulut Wabewa cari Haga bertai Cibet podon hi Ubodo yami Kawadan cikasi Man kasih Uburo yami Waro cerita Kecewa kuami Man kasih Uburo yami Waro cerita Kecewa kuami Mình sim jonga Yaro you try Mình sim jonga Yaro you try Mình sim jonga Yaro you try Yaro Ya uklem wai Du pop padam pam Ha jing ja jar jong kami Mình xiêm ha chính nghèo dia Marway ha chính đông Just nghèo si ya nga tem ra Hang ta hap đến ca chính kulat Me wan pas yau hang nga Chính ai lê ngarwai Chính lên nga shem hang ta Don kapor haba ngirwai yaro you play Ki jaki gamba jinkur kuki ashley Why jam na do min sin why ki sir thamai Ben sawa jing yaro you play klem why Nama don kapor haba ngirwai lang yaro you try Do bum ba-dum bum Kum o the usilas hapo kaing bendi Da jing wai ji kan ki pli la hap no ki gendri Ha jing sa wat ka tu roi Upat ba urisa Kan roka Jericho galon Na maru play ublon hang ta Don kapor haba ngirwai yaro you play Ki jaki gamba jinkur kuki ashley Rai jam na do min sin rai ki sur thamai Ben sawa jing yaro you blake lem wai Nama don kapor haba ni rai lam yaro you try Ale piki konu blay Ale rai yaro you try Rai da jing rai bar hem Rai jing rai ba chai chai Pin yo I jing krao u blay Kin ro kin kalon Haba ki briu u blay ki rai yaro Hang ta u blay u don Do 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 bum Before the winter chill has come, the springtime rivers rise. Before the setting sun has disappeared, the moon is rising high, and time waits for no man. Seasons come and go in the midst of an ever-changing world. This one thing I know, you've got to live every moment as though it was your last, before the thief of always steals tomorrow from your grasp, before the chance to know his love has somehow passed you by. Let your heart reach out, right here, right now, for the Lord to touch your life. Before the trees have shed their autumn gold to leave the barest bark, the frost beneath our feet will sparkle bright like crystals under the sky. And time waits for no man. Seasons come and go in the midst of an ever-changing world. This one thing I know: you've got to live every moment as though it was your last, before the thief of always steals tomorrow from your grasp, before the chance to know his love has somehow passed you by. Let your heart reach out right here, right now, for the Lord to touch your life. Live every moment as though it was your last, before the thief of always steals tomorrow from your grasp, before the chance to know his love has somehow passed you by. Let your heart reach out right here, right now, for the Lord to touch your life. Let your heart reach out right here, right now, for the Lord to touch your life.